I'm Brandy Schuster. I'm the editor of CHEManager Europe, and this is our very first ever video preview of CHEManager Europe. This is for our August issue, which will come out on August 8th. First up, markets and companies. We've got lots of good stuff for you coming up. A lot of things coming out of China. First of all, we've got our Shanghai-based Dr. Kai Flug. He's the CEO of Management Consulting Chemicals. He writes about the transformation that's currently taking place in the Chinese economy and how it will affect the chemical industry. Also based in Shanghai, we have Daniel Rules. He's a partner at Squire Sanders, and he talks about clever strategic ideas for you and how to protect your trade secrets in China. Also, it's summertime. It's a good time to look at AgChem. Enigma Market Research Director Dr. Nigel Utley outlines opportunities and threats in the global AgChem market. Also, Natalia McDonough of the Cornelius Group writes about the finer points of recruitment in the chemical industry. And rounding up our markets and companies, our very own Sean Milmo talks about BASF's R&D paradigm shift. Moving on to chemicals. In the second of a three-part series that he's written for us, Rafael Coelho, he's the author of the book, The Future of the Chemical Industry by 2050, a Wiley publication. He examines in this article how the innovation landscape has to change in order to accommodate the much-needed cut in resources and energy demand and CO2 emissions. Along the same lines, Andy Gibbons, he's the Vice President Middle East at Euro Petroleum Consultants. He stirs up a new menu for petroleum feedstock. Moving on to pharma. Emily Kimball of Thomson Reuters examines the pharma market in Latin America, and she asks if the market there can really still be considered emerging. And staying in the Western Hemisphere, Emily's colleague Michael Glessner writes about the US FDA's Generic Drug User Fee Act, also known by the great name GDUFA. The act came into effect last October, and it allows the FDA to collect fees from any manufacturers worldwide who want their APIs to be eligible in generic drugs sold in the US. Michael looks at the potential effects this act has had and will have on the global API industry. And after years of showing low productivity, R&D in leading pharmaceutical and biotech companies is starting to deliver on its promises. New Arthur D. Little partner Thilo Kaltenbach looks at how pharma companies need to transform their launch approach to maximize value generated by R&D investments. Moving on to our next topic, pharma production. Professor Thomas Friedli of the University of St. Gallen delivers insights on the next generation of pharma operating excellence. And Alan Lang of Pentagon Chemicals tells us about advances being made in process safety management in specialty and fine chemical factories. Also in the August issue, we will have all the juicy industry gossip you might have missed over the summer, nice and compact and by region. In September, we'll be hitting up some trade shows. The most important one for us right now is the PharmaChem Outsourcing, September 17th through 19th in Long Branch, New Jersey. I hope to see you there. But you don't have to wait until August to get all the industry news you need. We are online, CHEManagerEurope.com. You can follow us on Twitter, CHEManager_EU, and we're on Facebook, Facebook.com/ChemManager.